up, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. This is your girl B Mar on Life. Thank you guys for tuning in and taking the time out y'all day to view my video and my content. Today we're gonna be making a cabbage soup, baby. Cabbage soup, kielbasa cabbage soup, baby. Yes, okay. So this is an easy meal. You can call it a struggle meal. You know what I mean? You can call it whatever you want to call it, but it's finna be good, okay? So yeah, we got our cabbage to start the show. We got some white onion. We got our sausage, beef sausages, skinless beef sausages. We got our russet potatoes. We got some chicken broth right there. We got some thyme, dry thyme. We got some onion powder, garlic powder. We got some dash, garlic and herb. We got parsley flakes, black pepper, sea salt, better than bouillon, baby. And we got some minced garlic. All right, y'all. Let's get into it, guys. All right, so we gonna go ahead and put some olive oil in this pan. And so even though the sausages are gonna create their own type of oil, we still want to kind of put a little bit just so those sausages will not stick at the bottom of the pan. Okay, so we want to add, you know, a little bit of oil. So that's why you see me doing that, and we're gonna let those cook. So now let's get started with the soup, the cabbage soup. Okay, the liquid part. So you see me dumping in some chicken broth. Okay, I don't want to use all water, you know what I mean? I want to use that chicken stock because it's going to give it that flavor, okay? So the less water is best, all right? So let's go ahead and dump in those white onion. And when I tell y'all, it looked like a lot of onion, but this is a big pot of soup, big pot of cabbage soup, okay? So you see me dump them potatoes in there. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and go in with that seasoning. Okay, we're going to put in some dry thyme. We're going to put some of that dash, garlic, and herb up in there, you know what I mean? So, yeah, we about to add the flavor to it, okay? We're going to add 2 heaping tablespoons of minced garlic. And yes, that's Badia, okay? Better than bouillon, baby, the vegetable kind. We're going to go ahead and throw a tablespoon into this pot. Go ahead and get the rest of the residue off of the spoon, baby. We want all that flavor, okay? So let's go ahead and go in with that onion powder, okay? We're going to put a little bit of that onion powder up in that pot like that, like so. And we're going to put a nice amount, okay? And just because you have your solid seasonings, we always going to go in with that dried seasoning, okay? So garlic powder, onion powder. We're gonna go in with a little bit of parsley flakes, you know what I mean? Sprinkle a little bit of that up in there. Also, we're gonna put some of that black pepper, baby. Got to have that black pepper, okay? Just a little bit. We ain't gonna do too much. We're gonna add a little bit of that sea salt. And real quick, guys, I want to show you how I'm cutting up my cabbage into the pieces, the size pieces that I want. They're going to be little cube size pieces. You want a nice, you know, thickness to your cabbage. You want to taste like you actually eating cabbage in this soup. So you see right here how I cut them up and do it just like this, y'all. So we can't forget about these sausages. We want to go ahead and give them a nice toss. And y'all know I don't do too much fancy stuff. I know y'all seen that little sausage bounce off the video. So, yeah, I'm not doing nothing too fancy, man. Just move them around, you know what I mean? Get them nice and, you know, toasty on each side. And I want it to look something like this. Now, y'all, this is not burnt. This is actually a good consistency. I don't like no rubbery sausages, okay? So, we're going to try to cook them, all right? So, Now, back to this soup. Let's go ahead and dump those pieces that I chopped up into these cubes. And I'm just letting y'all see like how I done all the rest of the pieces of cabbage. Now, this is 2 heads of cabbage. This is like a 6-quart pot. No, not even 6-quart. Probably an 8-quart pot. This is what I usually do my crawfish in. So this is a pretty nice size pot. I'm going to go ahead and go in with another tablespoon of better than bouillon. I know that I added a little bit of sea salt to this, but it just wasn't to my liking it as far as the salt content. So I'm going to go ahead and add another tablespoon, and it's definitely gonna be hitting, y'all. So yeah, let's go ahead and add that paprika. And I forgot to show y'all before I added it, so I'm just showing y'all again. I'm gonna add a little bit more just for a little bit of extra color. Paprika really doesn't have a really strong taste to it, so I went ahead and went a little bit crazy just because I want a certain color to my soup, you know what I mean? So we're gonna go ahead and add the lid on and let that simmer down, okay? Y'all, look at this soup. Quick update, y'all. Man, hold up. This stuff is about to be delectable, incredible, sensational. Okay, y'all, all these different flavors definitely come together. Trust and believe. You can call it a struggle meal, poor man's meal. It is what it is. I don't know. It's just good, okay? So follow these steps. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about it. Man, I am ready to eat, y'all. Y'all know, as usual, I am starving, okay? But look at that goodness, okay? Yes, and you know what? I'm going to go ahead and throw me some wings in the air fryer just to go with it, you know? It could be a main course. The cabbage soup can be a main course, or it can be a side, but I'm going to put me some wings with it, okay? Y'all know I like my wings. So those wings are about done. Let's go ahead and plate this cabbage soup, baby. Yes, and y'all see I'm getting a little bit of everything. A little potato, a little sausage. We finna get to it, y'all. It's finna be off the chain, y'all. And then you have it, guys. Be more on life, y'all. Man, come on, y'all. Y'all already know that look good, man. And I put some wings with an already good meal, baby. Let's go. Let's dig into it. What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. Look at that soup, that cabbage soup, baby. Wings on deck. I went ahead and made those because I wanted some wings. Like I said, I wanted some comfort food because I gotta go to work tomorrow. Let's go ahead and take a little bite of this cabbage soup. Get a little sausage, get a little potato. Let's go ahead and have a bite of that wing too. Oh yeah. Let me know how you liking the channel. Man, y'all, I'm gonna keep bringing y'all these banging recipes. Be more on life, baby. If you ain't living life, what you doing? All right, over and out, y'all. Peace.